Hi everyone, welcome to my gold update. I'm JR, thank you for joining me. 29th day of May. We're gonna make this quick here. We can see on the monthly chart here, gold is making an effort to break through these highs. I personally think that we're gonna see gold break above this all-time high this year. If not, at least by the first half of next year. But definitely do see that potential of breaking above that. That's on the monthly chart here. Obviously, just a very bullish chart here. On the daily chart, things get a little bit more interesting, and obviously we see a little bit more indecision. What we have is we have a high here. Market came back down over here. We were lucky to get in here, create a higher high, right? This is your previous high. This now becomes your most valid high. This, I believe I had some orders here and I missed it by $2, right? So I had an order at around 16.57. It did not pick up. The low was 16.59. So you can see that just literally by $2 I missed my order. This pennant definitely seems to be valid. Broke above this pennant and it looks like we're going to continue to go higher. If you look at the smaller term time frames, you have to be a little bit careful, because you definitely do have a series of lows, of highs and lows getting lower, right? So here's your low, lower low, lower low, and then you have your high, right? So the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower. That's on the smaller term time frames. Again, the higher term time frames are usually much more powerful than the lower term. So for now, we're gonna keep an eye on that smaller term time frame. But if that smaller term time frame is going to create lower lows, then this would be the opportunity that the sellers have to bring this market down lower. So we can already see a little bit of maybe price action here, where we might come down a little bit lower. But again, it does seem like the market on the, we're going to ignore the smaller term time frames. We're going to look at the higher term. Again, you have that pennant. And again, within this pennant here, this is your target if you if it is valid, right? So if the breakout is valid, we're going to go to 1900 from here. I mean, again, a move above 1765, it just doesn't really look like there's going to be too much holding gold back, and it does look like it will test all-time highs. Very exciting time here for gold. If you haven't realized that gold is in a bull market, let me show you something here. Let's see. Let's look at gold in other currencies. Gold and euros. This is the monthly time frame, right? So again, all-time highs, breaks above it, no problem. It's going to continue to go higher. Here I already actually have the measurement here. Actually, I thought I did, but I guess I don't. And you want to target. Now again, this is a foreign chart, so I don't necessarily have all the data, but just from the data that I do have, it seems like on the euro, gold is going to go to 2300, breaking above the all-time high of 1385. So definitely looks like gold is going to continue to climb here on the euro. Already broken through all-time highs back from 2012 all-time highs, right? Let's look at gold against the Australian dollar. Again, all-time highs back in 2012. We saw 1817, and right now it's trading at 25, 26. And again, I've already done the measurement. Target is going to be around 3,000. If you go to gold, there's that pennant flag. Again, back in 2013, 2012. Had a high of 157K. Right now it's trading at 186. Again, if we want to look at if we want to measure the height of this rally, it's more than likely going to continue to go higher. And more than likely is going to go to 240,000, right? Let's look at I think we have the pound. Here's the pound against gold. Again, also broke above all-time high. So the dollar is just the last one, but it will happen. You have to pay attention. You have to put your money in gold. You have to put your money in silver. This is where we're going, okay? Enjoy your weekend. Have a safe weekend. Bye-bye.